Okay, today, here's a quick way for us to split captions on Capcut. So there was something I wanted to do doing before I said, let me make this tutorial. So I'm just going to cancel what I did right here before now. And let's start from the beginning. So there are two different ways to do this. It's either you want to make it like break it down. You're not using either of these ones, this single caption text option like this for. So you're using something like this and something like this, which is a little bit longer. Now, how can we do this real quick? So you're just gonna come here and come to this section that says is either you want to do, I don't know what you want to do, but if you want to achieve it, like reduce it from being lengthy, you just cut it like that. Instead of clogging your screen, you can just do it this way. If this is not the way you want it to be, there's another way you can go around or make this happen. So I just want to go Command Z or Control Z. I wasn't doing this before, so now. So I'll just come here and I'm just gonna break this. Okay, we have it into, let's say we want to break into three. One, two, and three. So I'm just gonna divide this into three lines. One, two, and three. Now we have it in three. You just go back to your number two. So I'm just gonna come here and say this like this. I'm taking this out. I just saw. So we had I just saw the first time. I'm gonna remove this other one and say recently, and I'll delete and I'll come here and leave the other part. Now, once we play this, I just saw this video on the internet and I say, let me share this video with you guys. So you see these ones, we are very fine until we started doing this. So we have to go ahead and do all of it just like that. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.